Hello, this time I want to talk about line art since one of my patrons is asking for it. So I'm gonna use this artwork, the Aimer fan art that I've done before. So I'm gonna use a 2000 and 2000 canvas on a 300 dpi resolution. So you can try to simulate it. I'm gonna use my pencil brush that you can download, and I'm gonna use 12-point brush, but actually I'm gonna change it later to 15 points since it's too small. We usually need a thicker line for more close-up character. So as you can see, I'm drawing here. I'm sculpting the lines. I'm not doing one stroke. I'm doing some strokes, and then I'm rotating the canvas to follow my comfortable angle. I'm just gonna draw or trace the lines and adding my own take of the sketch. So I'm not gonna use the sketch 100%. I'm gonna do some improvisation on it. As you can see, I also add some more thickness after I've done the line art to give the more Tetsuya style effect too. I'm doing this line art for the eye here. Just like this, and you can see my other eye tutorial on the other videos. And yeah, I'm using this pencil to do all of my thickness. I'm usually just gonna overlay more lines to create thicker lines rather than increasing my brush size. So as you can see, I'm just adding more lines, and then I'm deleting the lines if it doesn't follow the shape that I wanted. If the lines is far from what I wanted, so I'm just gonna undo the lines rather than erasing it and sculpting it. And this is the shading step. I'm just gonna use a big brush and then predict where the light will come up. I'm just giving some gap between the line, and I'm shading the hair by following the hair's shape to give more realistic feelings. We can use it on clothes too, sometimes on skin and maybe on lips, or this kind of shading, some eye shadows. And yeah, there we go. Sometimes I'm also thickening the outer line to give more silhouette to the drawing. So this is a short video, and I hope you like it. Thank you.